Hello guys, today we are installing the Burp suite. So we have to open up the Burp suite websites, then go to the Burp. Okay, there are the three edition like enterprise, professional version, and community. So enterprise and professional version have a paid version. So you can see. So we have installing the community version for free. So down click on the download the latest version. So I have already installed in my PC. Okay, this is Burp shoot. Okay, for running the Burp shoot, it is mandatory for the installing the Java. So we go to Java download the Java. Okay, save file. Okay, we save the see downloading Java. Okay, so let's have install Java version. So click on the install. So Java is successfully installed. Okay, so next we install the Burp. Okay, click on run as an administrator. Click on yes. Burp started the installation. Okay, click on next. You can choose your path for installing the software. Click on next. Uh, let's check for the create the start menu folder and create shortcut for all user. Click on next. Okay, Burp Suite Community Edition successfully installed in our PC. Let's start the Burp. Okay, search for the Burp and okay, click on the Burp Suite. We accept the term and condition. Okay, for start the Burp Suite, click on temporary project and click on next. Directly start the Burp. Okay, our Burp Suite is successfully start. So let's configure the our Burp Suite. Let's go to the Firefox. Okay, set up the Firefox proxy setting. Search for proxy. Okay, setting. We have checked the manual proxy setting, and we our web should basically run on the this IP one. Okay, and a port of 8080. So also click check. Also use this proxy FTP, HTTP, HTTPS. Okay, and click on OK. So we have config our proxy setting. Okay, let's search for google.com. So here you see google.com will not be redacting. So we have a installing Swigger CA certificate. So for that, search burp, http burp. So this window open, and we installing the CA certificate in our window browser. So um, save file. Let's config the our CA certificate in our browser. Okay, so in setting we search the certificate. So in click on view certificate, import our CA certificate. For that, so select your CA certificate where you have downloaded, click on open. Click on this trust this CA IDB website and email users, check for them, and you have see the details of CA certificate. Click on OK and click on OK. So we have successfully installed our CA certificate. Let's refresh google.com. Okay, so we have burp shoot, and we see that our request will be proxy will be started. So let's intercept off. Okay, see that our google.com redirected. So that's all about installing the uh, burp shoot and set up the burp shoot. So if you want extension for burp shoot proxy for on and off, so you can install the uh, proxy extension for Firefox. So first we go to the site. Okay, add to Firefox. Okay, this is the extensions for proxy setting. Click on add. Okay, you can directly turn on and off of your proxy from here. Okay, so we can setting option, go to setting, we add the our proxy. Click on HTTP. Here we can be in 27 0.0.1. Let's say for port is for 8080. Okay, click on save. Okay, we configure our extension. So if you can start a proxy on, so click on 120 here. Okay, our proxy will start. Okay, let's google it, google.com. So here is our proxy on. If you can see the request in our burp, click on intercept on, go to the Firefox and uh, refresh the page, and then you can see the our burp will get the request. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.